Welcome back to another video update for version 2.13 of Independent Analytics. Now, in some of these updates, we have one major feature to announce, but in this update, we have a handful of smaller but nevertheless exciting new features to share, and we're going to dive right in with a new AI referrer type. Independent Analytics now includes this AI type, which recognizes sites like ChatGPT.com. You'll see the new AI referrer type show up in the table like this. You can also filter by the AI type to quickly create a report for these sites only. Additionally, we've added a new option to the referrers report that lets you group the table by type. So instead of listing every site that sent you visitors in the table, you can group by the referrer type, and now you have a simple comparison of your different marketing channels. This makes it easy to compare traffic from search, social, AI, etc. Another cool feature we've added is the option to filter your reports using any or all conditions. Up until now, every condition had to apply, but now you can switch this option over to any, and now the report will include any items that match at least one of the conditions. For instance, I can create a report for all of my category and tag archives by allowing a match for either page type. There are a ton of different ways this can be used, and we hope you guys have a lot of fun trying it out. Next up, you'll notice that the world map in the geographic report looks a little bit different. We've switched to a new code library that is packaged within Independent Analytics, and it's really similar, but the map doesn't take up quite as much vertical space as before, which is nice. For our pro users, we have two more awesome updates to share. First, we've added a new option to the campaigns report to change the way that the table rows are grouped. By default, this report includes every unique campaign, and this is very useful at times, but it's not ideal if you have a lot of similar campaigns that only have different term or content values. With this new option, you can group the table by landing page, source, medium, or campaign. For instance, if you group by source, you can easily compare traffic from different sources like Facebook versus your MailChimp emails. Likewise, if you group by campaign, you can compare the performance of the various campaigns you've run. This can help you figure out which marketing messages are working the best, regardless of the sites you're running your promotions on. Lastly, if you're using WooCommerce, you'll find that the Order Referrer box has been renamed to Customer Journey, and it includes a lot more information. Instead of only displaying the referrer and the campaign data, it now also shows you the time the customer arrived on your website, the landing page, the number of pages they viewed, the time of their purchase, their device data, and their geolocation. While there isn't a single standout feature in this update, we think that version 2.13 includes some awesome new additions that make Independent Analytics even more useful for both free and pro users. In our next update, we plan on implementing the highly requested User Journeys feature. If you'd like to be notified when that's released, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you can catch our next video announcement when it comes out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.